Hey there, how's it going? This is Sean over at OEI Digital. Just wanted to send over a quick video showing y'all 3 steps you can take to convert more new patients into your practice by increasing traffic to your website. Let's just look at a couple stats real quick. So we have an old saying in our industry, the best place to hide a dead body is on page 2 of Google. That's because there's billions of people searching on Google every single day, but almost nobody reaches page 2. What everybody's looking for is on page 1 of Google. In your industry specifically, there's 2,000 monthly searches for dentists in Midland, Texas. So every month, 2,000 people are looking for a dentist, and 90% of them are going to find what they're looking for on page 1. So if I go over here to Google and I type in dentist in Midland, Texas, these are the results I'm going to find. Bliss Dental, Basin Dentistry, the Dental Studio, Monarch, Aspen, Boyles, Robert E. Christensen, Midland Smile. So we're not seeing y'all here on first page at all. So 2,000 monthly searches, and they're all being filtered into your competitors here. We're going to show you how to get here on page 1. There's 3 things that you can do. Number 1 is content. You're going to want 1,500 words of keyword dense content on your home page. So if we go over to your home page, we copied all of your words and we put them into a word counter, and you have 268 words on your home page. So Google likes to see a lot of content. You might have heard content is king. We want to see as much content, keyword dense. So keywords like dental, dentist, Midland, Texas, all of those things that we do find in your content, just not enough of it. They want to see 1,500 words on your homepage. Number 2 is backlinks. So backlinks are links from other sites pointing back to your site. We actually have a tool called Majestic. It can look up all the backlinks that you have for any site. If we look here, you have 0 trust flow and 21 citation flow. So that's not bad in citation flow, and we'll get to that in a moment. But trust flow is at 0. And what that means is you don't actually have any backlinks. There are no other sites on the internet that point back to yours. If you look at some of your competitors, Monarch has 17, 23, 40. So you're going to need as many or more links from other sites that point back to yours. And finally, the third thing you can do to rank on page 1 of Google is citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number posted on business directories online. So if you go online and you look up local citation sites in the US, you'll find lists like these. Facebook, Google, Yelp, Bing, Foursquare, Yahoo, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. Those are all business directories online that you can put your business citations on. So all of these are free. It just takes a little bit of time, but the more that you have, the higher you'll rank on Google. Because that's it. Those are the 3 things. 1,500 words of content, as many backlinks linking back to your site, and your business citations posted on business directories online. Those 3 things will get you to page 1 on Google. So that 2,000 monthly searches will funnel more traffic into your business and hopefully add to your new patient list. Anyways, I don't want to take up any more of your time. I would like to chat if y'all have any questions about this. We could discuss your practice, maybe some ways we can help you reach more patients. My number is 432-287-7788. Again, this is Sean with OEI Digital. Thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you soon.